Thanks, Evan. It's good to be back. Jesus was Palestinian. Jesus was also a power bottom. Think about that. I'm going to read, I think, just one poem. Oh, I'm going to plug it some even more. But Josiah's already gone. But yeah, Saturday, 7:30, Medicine for Nightmares, 2-year anniversary. It's going to be lit, live music. There will be drinks and just many merry, merry people. This piece is called Billionaire Tacos. And this is true. Taco Bell is in a lawsuit with the guy who submitted a trademark on the phrase Taco Tuesday. Meanwhile, in Mexico, every day we eat tacos, and every day they're affordable, as long as foreigners aren't moving next door, increasing the property value, rent, and food costs for people already living sparse. International tourists spend more on food in a day than most Mexicanos earn in a week, sometimes a month. And I'm not saying foreigners should never be allowed to travel. I'm asking, what do we expect? Jumping from one capitalist hell to another, like insert most recent disease spreading freely across borders, which could have been stopped, but wealth has no morals. I keep hearing people say, eat the rich, but has anyone ever really tried it? I was raised eating tacos de buche, tripa, labio, cabeza, and lengua, and the poor are not afraid to try something new. Question: how much do tacos made of billionaires cost? Trick question, they're always free. Thank you.